Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen Touareg R. This Touareg is powered by a 3-litre TSI eHybrid engine that produces 462 PS with automatic transmission and 4Motion all-wheel drive. It's finished in this Lapiz blue paintwork with R body styling. To the side of the vehicle you find the 22-inch Estoril alloy wheels, and to the front the IQ.LIGHT LED matrix headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Other features on this Touareg include a set of roof rails, rear tinted windows for passenger privacy, and keyless entry. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, and you find the Touareg offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen, and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the tow bar. Into your rear seating, and you find the interior to be fitted with a stylish leather seating, which features a folded armrest with cup holders and ISO fixed mounting points. To the front you find your vent controls with heated outer rear seat functionality and 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, and you find your active climate front seats with power adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders, and storage inside the armrest. The heated multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. On top of the dashboard you'll find your heads-up display. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media such as USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is also available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can access various vehicle settings. You can access your driver assist features. Driving profile selection is also available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. You can also customise your Dynaudio sound system. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system with heating and cooling functionality for your front seats. This Touareg comes equipped with parking sensors and area view cameras, allowing you to park up stress-free. And on the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the brand new Volkswagen Touareg R that's now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to run a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.